The Rongjie Space Capsule R8 is 8.5 meters long, 3.2 meters wide, and 3.2 meters high, covering an area of 27 square meters. This cozy little home has a 1 bedroom, 1 balcony, and 1 bathroom, makes every inch of the space. The smart door lock can be opened with a password. Fingerprint and facial recognition. The exterior is made from durable aerospace aluminum and insulated glasses, which makes you feel cool in the summer and warm in the winter. The roof is equipped with solar panels and a wind power system, making the home self-sufficient and environmental friendly. The bedroom features a super king-size bed. Yes, still feels spacious. Look up, there's a huge skylight above, which allows you to fall asleep under the stars. The smart control system allows you to adjust the lights and the curtains with simple voice commands like, "Hey, 小爱, turn on all the lights and open the curtains." The bathroom is fitted with high-tech amenities, including a vanity with a lighted mirror, providing great lighting and a modern, stylish look. Cleverly designed storage cabinets and a bar highly enhance the space functionality. Outside, there's a balcony where you can relax and unwind. The Rongjie Space Capsule R8 is not just a living space, it's a glimpse into the future of living. We invite you to join us and experience this new way of life.